excited to be here that we're bringing to the Cebu public the Nissan Intelligent Mobility Tour, and we're glad to bring our products here as well as our very excellent services.
You did a great job since we just launched our new model, our MG5. So more clients are coming in and checking in on our product. And we're looking forward to join another auto show by next year.
We look forward for another Cebu Auto Show the next year, and more power to them. The organizers are very well prepared. The turnout, it's excellent. A lot of people showed up. To the organizers, keep up the good work, and we hope to see you again next year. Auto Show Cebu 2020.
Actually, we were not expecting this award. Ang ano na sa amin is mag-enjoy kami. Pero ito na nga, nakatanggap kami. Ang saya-saya namin!
This auto show will not only contribute to my own company, but it will really help to all in the industry.